Mexico today. I just got off our ship and I'm headed to a ferry boat that's going to take me to the mainland. From there, I'm going to do the Crystal Cave exploration, which is an underground river and a cenote swim. So I'm going to bring you guys with me as I go underground and I swim that cenote today. Okay, so I've made it on the ferry and now I have about a 45-minute boat ride that's going to take me to the mainland. I have finally made it to my destination. It was a very long, miserable, bumpy road. They are doing a lot of construction in this part of the country. They're doing a big train that they're building, and so I'm not exactly sure if this is the same excursion that I did last year. I'm hoping so because it was so wonderful. If not, we're going to experience something new today. So from here, I just need to go rinse off to get all the chemicals off me so that I don't damage the water in the cave. So let's go do that now.
You can look at the how sharp the molars are. Alright, this is the jaw. Does anybody need one molar?
Nobody has a spine.
Sorry.
If you have a spine, I'll take one.
I don't need one. Humans, you know, will easily. Yeah, touching stops the.
Pretending you really love each other. And one more. And you. There you go. Ow. You guys should come out of the it is definitely harder to pull.
So they have had a lot of rain the last several days and weeks, and this is usually not as deep, but it has definitely risen by 5 inches, I think is what the guy said. So it's really dark down here, so I'm hoping this video will turn out. They didn't give us a light like they did last year. It is definitely a very cool excursion to go on. We're getting ready to get into the water again, and it is really, really cold, especially from all that extra rainwater that they've been getting.
They were good, eh? So you say you're from Connecticut?
Oh.
And you're in the Cali?
Yeah.
There's something about me about something.
Definitely cold for sure.
He's an archaeologist and a professional cave diver. Alright, so he's found so much information that is very useful for everybody. So yeah, they are not allowed to swim like, you usually swim easily, right? Well, when you're inside a cave, you gotta swim sideways, like a frog, So the waves, since there's not a lot of current, so the bottom, this wave is actually gonna make this sediment come up, and then it's gonna hit the top. That same wave, only one. It's gonna go up, and then it's gonna go down again, and then it's gonna do this again. All right. So they're not allowed to just do this. They gotta do this. Yeah, it's crazy. It's like how do you say? It's like exploring inner space. Literally. You're only with the enough oxygen that you can in order to get to one spot. Otherwise, you're running out of oxygen. Luckily, that person was just he don't have fresh obviously. And this was not my client. But this guy, he was a very fit student. He's a very fit student. You would never think that would happen to practice. On his own. No, yeah, exactly. Listen, and it was everybody. Oh gosh.
That was a lot of fun. We finished with the first cenote. It wasn't the one that we did last year, but they're getting ready to take us to another one, so maybe that was the one we did last year.
This sound is what the Maya used to follow to get to water. Literally, it was like, I don't know if you can appreciate a lot. It's not that sunny. When it's sunny, you get up to appreciate a lot more, but it's blue here.
We've started the second cave, and this one is a little bit deeper, and the water is going to be much, much colder. And I can tell just no more than what I've walked. It is definitely a lot colder. So let's go. So just finished up with the second cenote. I am so sorry guys that the video quality may not be real good. There was not a whole lot of light down there, but if you ever get to the Yucatan Peninsula, definitely look up a cenote swim because it will be well worth your time and money. You know, I really want to thank you guys for watching and coming with me today as I go swimming through the caves. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, have fun and stay safe.